welcome to our YouTube. Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube. First, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Dila.
My name is Sulis.
My name is Najjah.
My name is Ayu.
Okay, do you know what we do to this YouTube? No. So, in this YouTube, we will make a simple air conditioner. For make this air conditioner, we need materials are first
Can for kongguan.
This is a fan.
This is pen. This is with brush.
okay paint and brush for decorate this can. So you can use everything to decorate it. Okay, and then we have salt, and then we have ice. Okay, for your information, to make this air conditioner, better you use dry ice.
Dry ice.
But to find or looking for dry ice,
It's so difficult.
it's so difficult. So we use usual or basic ice. And then we have battery, and don't forget connector to connect this battery to fan. So here we go.
Here we go. Okay guys, first we have to punch hole with scissor and stone.
Okay.
Let's go.
Finally, the can have been perforated, and second step, we have to paint it or decorate it.
With paint. Color is green.
Okay. Hi, the
The can is
ready. Okay,
After the can is ready, we put the salt and ice.
And
Ice.
Good.
Cool. It's cool.
Put the lid with fan and connect fan to battery and
Enjoy the wind. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Finally, we found this can.
The price is 5,000 rupiah. Okay.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum guys.
Ini ada yang megang. Ini udah ada yang megang.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube.
Okay guys, first we must punch hole with
This petokan.
ulek.
Hi. Okay.
After the can ready, we put
Nggak kelihatan ini kesetuhan.
Iya yang ngomong.
iya ya.